What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, we're going to be working on the truck again. And today we're going to be replacing my old rear shocks with some new rough country. I think these are the N3, N3 shocks here. Other old ones are pretty shot and some parts are being held on by zip ties. So we're going to go ahead and take those out and replace them with these new bad boys from rough country. Also, quick, one more thing before you guys go on to just watch this whole video. Make sure you guys are subscribed, so go ahead and click that subscribe button below. Also, turn the notifications on. We're also going to go ahead and spray bomb everything under here with black, so it looks good, like the leaves there and everything we've done here. So now I have that shock there in place. It's the driver's side. Need to paint that bolt yet, but whatever, we can take care of that later. Also need to paint the diff cover, 13/16, whatever you have, you can make work. That's the piece I was talking about. Yeah, so this one here is just the bolt. Nut is welded on top there, like I'm pointing at. Get that loosened up, and then I will get the bottom one loosened up. Take off the bottom one, which, yeah, that one is the nut and bolt. Now we do need to paint the rest of all that up there, inside of the frame and everything. Possibly give the diff another coat and paint the diff cover white again, sand it down and repaint it. Onto the bottom one here, so we have the top one all loose. This one is a nut and bolt, not just a bolt like the top one has it welded on. So this one you do have to have wrench, ratchet, whatever. Either way, you gotta have two tools to do this one. Alright, got that all painted up. Looks good. You still need to paint the rest of that frame there, but we'll take care of that later after the shock is in. Just didn't want to paint that rest there while the shock was in, so I decided to do that first. Okay, so we got our new shock in here. I keep the strap on just until I get the top one pretty much tight, and then I get the bottom pretty much in position. Then I cut it, take the strap off, and it'll slowly slide into place, and then I can push the bolt through. I'll show you guys that in a second here. So here's, sorry, couldn't get the camera at a perfect angle here, but this will give you guys an idea of what I'm talking about. I'm gonna cut that strap. So there we go, got it cut, just pushing down and just slide it right through. It's perfect. It's actually very satisfying. Works good. That's how I always do shocks. Definitely ended up getting a bunch of paint, so I had the shock sitting underneath there, but hey, it's alright. Got my 21 mil and my 13/16 wrench. Tighten this guy up, and then we're done with putting shocks in. Gonna have a nice ride after this. Alright, so just gonna go back up to the top one here. Get that guy a little tighter. Make sure she's nice and snug. And we have 2 brand new shocks. That side over there. No, driver's side that I did. And passenger side. Well guys, I think that's it for today's video. I know it's not much, just a short video. Me putting in some new shocks. Really not a big deal. Not a great video. I'm sorry, but it is an episode. And I did say at the beginning of this I was going to drag you guys through a bunch of episodes rebuilding the truck. Next couple episodes I hope will be a little more interesting. We'll see. It might be a week or so before you get another episode, because I do have some other work that I have to do, that I'll get some stuff done in the truck, but it will be stuff that's not really worth filming, I think. I have some other videos that will be coming, so make sure you guys click that subscribe button down below, turn on notifications so you get notified when I'm uploading videos. There's gonna be some rap videos and stuff coming. So make sure you guys check those out, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.